Out came the sun
doing
and
Your Baby
dried
Can
up
Read.
all the rain, and the incy spider went up the spout again.
They've been talking the whole time.
The spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the incy spider went up the spout again.
Elephant.
Elephant.
It sure is hot out here. I'm flapping my ears to keep cool.
Tiger.
Tiger.
The tiger is stricken. Now she is walking. Gorilla.
Gorilla.
The gorilla. Wave. Wave.
Can you guys wave?
Wave to her. Wave.
Can you wave?
Waving.
Waving. Alika and Dottie are waving.
Are you waving too?
Colors.
Colors. Look at the beautiful colors.
Red.
Yellow.
Blue.
White.
Green.
Brown.
Purple. Black.
Orange.
And pink.
How many different colors do you see?
Reaching.
Reaching.
Michaela is reaching for the toy.
She got it. Reach. Reach. The baby orangutan is going to reach for the grass.
Deandre loves to talk.
Can you say eyes?
Eyes.
Eyes. Close your eyes just like this.
Say eyes.
Mouth. Mouth. Michaela is putting the toy in her mouth. Toe.
Toes.
Toe.
Where your toes are, Mama touches them all the
Touch your
time.
toes. How many toes have you touched? Cat. Cat. Cats love to play. The cat is chasing the toy.
Deandre's so silly.
Tiger.
Yeah, Mason, you tell him.
Tiger. Tigers are from Asia and belong to the cat family. Tigers have stripes. Gorilla.
Gorilla.
This is a big gorilla. Gorillas are very smart animals. Gorillas are herbivores.
Dog.
Stop.
This dog is watching the little girl feed the cows.
Elephant. This is an African elephant. This is an Asian elephant.
You guys are so
Asian elephants have
silly.
smaller ears than
Wave.
Oh my goodness. Mama thinks you're so
Michaela can
funny.
wave her arms.
And Lauren can wave her arms. Can you wave your arms? Let's play some word games. Look at the word hot. Now see if you can find the word hot. Hot. Which word says hot? Elephant. Hot. Now look at the word wave. Now look for the word wave. Wave.
Clap.
Where is the word baby? Baby.
You're so
Which one
silly.
does it smell?
You are so silly,
Mouth.
boys. Yeah. Okay, I'll get out of the way. I'm sorry.